In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on Temu. If you want a more flexible way to shop on Temu and split your payments into smaller installments, Afterpay can be a very convenient option. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything from setting up Afterpay to completing your purchase on Temu, so you understand exactly how the process works from start to finish. To begin, you first need an active Afterpay account. If you don't already have one, you will need to create it by downloading the Afterpay application or visiting their official website. During the setup process, you will be asked to provide basic details and link a valid debit or credit card. Once your account is successfully created and verified, you're ready to use it for shopping. Next, open your browser and go to the Temu website. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign In or Register option at the top of the page and access your Temu account by entering your login details. If you do not already have an account, you would normally need to register first, but in this guide, we assume your account is already set up. After logging in, start browsing products and add the items you want to purchase into your shopping cart. When you are ready, click on the cart icon located at the top corner of the page. This will take you to a summary of all selected items. Carefully review your order to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Once you are satisfied with your cart, continue by clicking the Checkout button. This will take you to the Payment and Shipping Details page, where you will see all available payment methods for your order. Scroll down to the Payment section and look through the list of available options. If Afterpay is supported in your region and account, you will see it listed there. Select Afterpay as your preferred payment method to continue. After selecting Afterpay, proceed by submitting your order. At this point, Afterpay will begin a quick approval process to determine whether your purchase qualifies for installment payments. This process is usually fast and automatic. If your order is approved, your total purchase amount will be split into 4 equal payments. The first payment is charged immediately at the time of purchase, while the remaining payments are automatically deducted from your linked card every 2 weeks. And that is how you can successfully use Afterpay on Temu to make your shopping experience more flexible and manageable. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.